In this case, we want to solve 3 minus 4x is greater than or equal to 2x plus 8 and give the solution in interval notation. So let's go ahead and solve this for x. First thing we'll do, write out our equation. And then we want to isolate our x and also our constants. So let's go ahead and subtract a 3 from the left-hand side. That gives us a 4x is greater than or equal to 2x plus 5. Then go ahead and subtract negative 2x, which will leave us with a negative 6x is greater than or equal to a 5. Now divide by negative 6. And since we're dividing by a negative, you want to make sure you flip your sign. So x is going to be less than or equal to negative 5/6. And we also want to give this in interval notation. So let's think about this. X is less than or equal to negative 5/6. So we know that we have a less than or equal to, so we're including negative 5/6. And then it's going to be any x value that's less than that. So any x value less than negative 5/6 is going to keep going on to negative infinity. And we'll go ahead and use the open interval notation here with that parenthesis.